In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for Instagram. To get started, open Hootsuite on your computer or browser. Once you are on your dashboard, the first thing you will do is create a new post. Look for the option that says plus, or it may read Create. Click on it, and then choose the setting for creating a post. This step matters because it is the gateway to everything that follows, including selecting your Instagram account, uploading content, and scheduling or posting right away. After you click plus to create a post, you will be asked to select where the post will go. Choose Instagram as your platform, and then select the specific Instagram account you want to publish from. If you manage more than one account, make sure you pick the correct one so the photo or video goes to the right profile. Take a moment here to double-check the account name and profile picture shown on screen, so you avoid publishing to the wrong place. Now that your Instagram account is selected, you can upload your photo or video. Look for the Upload button, then choose the file from your device. When the media finishes loading, you should see a preview appear in the Composer. This preview is important because it lets you confirm the framing, clarity, and orientation before you move to writing your caption. If it looks off, you can usually remove the file and upload again, which is much easier than fixing things after publishing. With the photo or video ready, you can write your caption. In the caption area, type the text you want your followers to see. Keep in mind that captions often include hashtags, mentions, or short notes about your post. As you write, pay attention to spacing and any special formatting that you want to include. If you want to add emojis, hashtags, or a call to action, this is the time to do it. Once you are satisfied, review it briefly to make sure it reads the way you intend. Next, you will decide whether you want the post to go live right away or be scheduled for later. In the scheduling options, look for a button that says Schedule for Later, or an option that lets you post now. If you want immediate posting, selecting Post Now is straightforward. If you want more control over timing, you should choose Schedule for Later. This decision is one of the most useful parts of using Hootsuite, because it helps you stay consistent even when you are not actively on your phone. When you select Schedule for Later, Hootsuite will prompt you to pick the date and time for publication. Choose the time that matches your posting plan. Make sure the time zone shown on screen is correct for your audience. After you select the date and time, take another quick moment to check the preview again. This small step helps confirm that your caption and media look good exactly as they will appear when scheduled. If you want to publish immediately instead, the process is still similar. You will click Post Now, and then Hootsuite will prepare the post for sending to Instagram. Even in this case, it is a good idea to review everything one last time before you finalize. That way, you avoid mistakes like an incomplete caption or the wrong media file. After you have chosen the posting method, you will click Schedule. This final click is what confirms your selection and submits the post to the publishing queue. Once you do this, the post will be handled according to the option you selected, either scheduled for the future or submitted for immediate posting. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.